Today I'm going to show you the best burger buns recipe. These buns are very soft and fluffy and very simple to prepare. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special soft and fluffy burger buns. First take 120 ml of warm milk. To this milk add 20 grams of sugar and 5 grams of instant dry yeast. Mix and rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take 300 grams of all-purpose flour in a bowl. To this flour, add 3 grams of salt and mix. Look, our yeast grows good. Now add the activated yeast milk to the flour and add 1 egg and mix the dough. If yeast doesn't form like this, then don't use that yeast. When the dough is ready, rest the dough for 15 minutes. This initial resting will make the dough softer and makes easy to work. After 15 minutes, take the dough and drop onto a working surface. Add 30 grams of unsalted butter and mix butter with the dough. Now catch the dough with one hand and with another hand press the dough and push forward. Like this, knead the dough for about 10 minutes. This process will give elastic consistency to the dough and helps in gluten formation. After 10 minutes of kneading, fold the dough into a round shape. Place it in a bowl, cover with stretch film and rest it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take the dough, press to make the gas out. Drop the dough to working surface and divide into 5 equal parts. Here I'm making medium-sized burger buns. If you want large-size buns, you can cut the dough accordingly. Now fold the dough into round shape and place them on a baking tray lined with parchment. Remember, the dough balls should not have any cracks on the surface. Now cover it with damp cloth and rest it for 1 hour in room temperature. After 1 hour, break 1 egg, mix well with a fork and apply gently on top of the buns. This egg wash will give good golden color to the burgers while baking. Now sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. After sprinkling sesame seeds, bake in preheated oven at 200 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. After 13 minutes, my burger buns are ready. Look at the color, how beautiful and golden. These burger buns are very soft and fluffy. You can make these burger buns without oven as well. You can check that video link from the description below.